Hi lovely people, today I'm going to cook something really special for you. Pumpkin soup.
Wait, pumpkin soup? What are you, what?
You heard right, pumpkin soup. Pumpkin is not just for decoration, but I tell you what, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious pumpkin soup you will never forget. Beautiful pumpkin. We've got shiitake mushroom, and I've got about 10 ounces. You can use as little as more as you want. So that's 10 ounces, and I've got thyme. I'm going to use a handful, and I've got cream here, and I'm going to just see how it goes, how much I'm going to put. I've got 2 liters, so we want it very creamy and delicious. We don't want it too liquidy. We've got 1 big onions, red onions, 2 potatoes, and we're just going to use a few garlic, salt and pepper, and we got chili flakes, just a tiny bit, just to get a bit of hint and a bit of bite. We need more salt to cut this. Yes, let's do this. Oh wow, look at that, how beautiful it is. Oh, you know what, I'm going to keep the seeds and I'm going to dry them for my garden. So many. And actually you can roast them, you can eat them, they are beautiful. And later I've got some bread as well, beautiful bread with pumpkin seeds. Oh, this is exciting, don't you think? Oh, the kids would love to do this. It's like playing with marbles, really. Okay, wow, that's a lot of seed for a small pumpkin. We're going to tidy up. We're going to, oops, my ring came off. Good job it's not going in the soup. There we go. We don't want those here. We don't want string in our beautiful creamy soup. And I'm going to cut them into little cubes. We've cut the pumpkins into small cubes. So now we'll do the potato, same size. Why do I put the potato? Because it's just make it more creamy. And I've got 5 cloves of garlic. Just going to mash them. And 1 big red onion. We're just going to do them in chunks. Here we go. Now, hot pan. Oh wow, look at the marmalade. You have to wait until the next what cooking. Hot pan. This time I'm not going to use olive oil. I'm going to use butter because I want the onion to fry and simmering in the onion because we want it to be really creamy and delicious. Throw the onions in there. The garlic goes in there. That smells absolutely delicious. Just going to shred it in there. Here we go. We're going to let it saute for about 2 minutes. The onion is lovely and brown. It's been frying in the butter with the spices. So now I'm going to put the pumpkin in and the potato. Give it a good mix. I'm going to let it fry with onions and the herbs for at least 1 minute before I add the water. And we're going to let it boil for about half an hour, and then we're going to add the cream. And in the meantime, we're going to fry the mushrooms. We're going to fry some mushroom. I put some butter in here, a really hot pan. Look at this. Salt and pepper, and we're done. Okay, the soup has been boiling for about half an hour, and the water has actually dried out a bit. So now what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to switch it off here, and I've got a hand blender. We'll see if that works. Here we go. Okay, we're done. And now we are going to add the cream. And I'm going to put it on low heat and give it a good stir. Oh wow, look at this. That is absolute. Yeah, there's a few chunks in there. Actually, it's quite nice. You know, this is actually really good. You won't even know it's pumpkin. It's lovely. And this soup is really delicious for the fall. It's cold and it's rainy, it's getting dark early. I'm a summer girl. I like to be sitting in the garden. But you know, that's the season. We have 4 seasons. And what season are you going through your lives? You know, the Bible said, you know, mourning lasts for a night, but joy comes in the morning. And what season you're going through? Depression, season somebody passed away, season of divorce, or you just had enough, you've been praying and God hasn't answered your prayer yet. But there's hope. The Bible does say joy come in the morning. You know, it might be the fall now, you know, and then winter come, and then springtime, you know, where all the beautiful flowers. So I will encourage you to hold on. Whatever season you're going through, God is there with you, and He will not leave you nor forsake you. And just hold on to the promises of God, because Jesus loves you so much. Let's try. So crunchy. And there's a bite to it. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, this is ready. It's been frying in butter, salt and pepper for a good 5 minutes. Okay, let's serve. The house smells beautiful, really nice. Oh, look how creamy this is. Get a bit of mushroom, put in the middle here. And we've got some beautiful bread here. This is pumpkin seed. That is good. That is really good. I can taste a little bit of chilies in there, and the garlic and the onions and the butter. Very creamy. Guys, if you like what you saw today, please subscribe and press that notification button. And until next time, I need a man in the house. Flooding here.
Wait, did you leave the water running?
Yeah.
Just leave.
Yeah, we need a man with muscle to cut my pumpkins for me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alex, do you know I paid him to say that?
Oh, okay. Now we got some recording now.
With the good food. With the good food.
Well, if there is one thing I'm after, it's
Okay, I think we can do that.
yeah, you give me some food and you can leave me hungry.
Yeah.
See, when you're
we could do
married to
that.